Very good afternoon to one and all present here. Today we are discuss about the energy sources. So we are well known in our day to life. We are using a more amount of energy sources like a conventional source, gold, petroleum, natural gas, etc. But these are all very limited. It can be exhausted in future. So what we can do for in the future, it can be exhausted. Maybe we can continuously use and rapid use. There's a reason. So in future we can go for the alternative energy resources. So that means we can go for the renewable energy resource like wind energy, solar energy, nuclear energy, thermal energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy, and something we can move for that conversion into renewable energy resources. So next we will going to discuss about nuclear energy, particularly in nuclear fission. So nuclear fission is nothing but it is a uranium 235 is bombardment with thermal neutron. It's a slow moving neutron. It's split into various fragments with a large amount of energy. That is called as a nuclear fission. As a definition, we can say it is a process of splitting heavier nuclei into smaller nuclei with the simultaneous liberation of large amount of energy. That is, we can call it as a nuclear fission reaction. So, what is a nuclear fission reaction mechanism? What will happen at a uranium? What will happen at the nuclear reactor? So when we go for take a uranium 235, it can compartment with the neutron. It converted into uranium 236. It's an unstable molecule. That unstable molecule further involve the reaction. It converted into various fragments with release a large amount of energy. For example, uranium 235, it bombardment with the neutron, it converted into uranium 236 92. It's an unstable molecule. That unstable molecule fragment into barium 140 56 and krypton 93 36 and 3 neutrons released. Whereas in the second fragments, xenon 144 and strontium 90 and 2 more neutron is released, and third one is a cesium 144 and rubidium 90, 2 more neutron released. So this is a illustration of the uranium 235 has been involved in the nuclear fission reaction. So neutron bombardment with the uranium 235, it converted into uranium 236 unstable molecule that will fission involved. The fission involved, it release a large amount of energy with the emission of product with this 2 more smaller nuclei with 3 neutrons. This is a present process. During the nuclear fission, large amount of energy has been released. So next one is what is the characteristics of nuclear fission? So nuclear fission, the characteristic, it's a heavy nucleus, uranium 235, or you can take a plutonium 239 for the nuclear fission process. When bombarded with a slow moving neutron, split into 2 or more nuclei. The 2 or more neutron produced by the fission of each nucleus. So large quantities of energy produced as a result of conversions of small mass of nucleus into energy.